Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Mimeograph Monday with a twist. But just like last week, I am going to preempt. Do I call preempt? Or just say I'm not going to do the mimeograph? I don't know why you even say mimeograph if I'm not going to do it. It's just habit. But I'm going to instead, I'm going to show you the product of the month and then the two kits that are so cute for this month. And then tomorrow I have a really cute Teach Me Tuesdays that I was going to do last week. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So before we get started, if you are new, I'm in the chat room during the video premiere. Head over there. I'll be there with my friends. If you're watching the replay and you have a question or a comment, just leave it below. YouTube will let me know and I can reach out. So before I get started, we had a crazy weekend. So you may notice I took down Willow's introductory video, and that is because Willow wasn't quite the right fit. She is a love, but she wasn't a right fit here. And so instead, I rescued her, and then my friend Ruth took her. And now she is being spoiled rotten. And she's got 2 dog siblings and a cat. So she's even had her first pup cup. So believe me, she is happy. And I'm just going to be an aunt instead of a mom. And Winston is now happy as a lark. He's like back to normal. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm not is like sad like I was when you know, we couldn't keep Kevin because I was allergic to him. We had him a whole week and everything before we got Winston, you know. So I think it's just, you know, we went from 1 dog, 2 dog, back to 1 dog. And so like I said, it was just a crazy weekend. So now we are all back to normal. And so yeah, so I am going to turn my camera around so I can show you these really cute things. Now I probably won't make the kits. I'll probably do a separate video for that, but I just wanted to show you them so that you can grab them because I have a feeling they will run out fast. So you want to get them as soon as you can. The kits, you can just buy, you know, as many as you want. The product of the month, you have to order 75 before tax and shipping in the month in order to get the product of the month, and you add that to your cart for $5. So let me just spin the camera and then I will show you. Okay, so here is the product of the month, and it is specialty paper, so it didn't come with that little white sheet. So now off the top of my head, I cannot remember what it's called. Something about glow. But anyways, it will pop up and let you know like, oh, you have earned it. And then you can add it to your cart. But remember, you have to order 75 before tax and shipping in a single order. And then you can add it to your cart for $5. But look at it. So can you see? I'm trying to see that right there. See, it's got this shimmer, and that's why they call it glow, right? But it's almost like it has been. You know how you mix the Winkastella in with some alcohol in a spritzer bottle, and then it spritz this shimmer and shine all over? That's what this kind of reminds me of. So it's really, really pretty paper. It is specialty paper, so that means the back side is plain. So you have 2 sheets like that. Then you have 2 sheets with the acorns, and this one shimmers too. And then I really like this one because of like all the colors. There's more like a reddish color in there. So hopefully you're able to see that shimmer and glow. And it's not like it's glitter. So it's not coming off on my hands. All right, and then you've got these leaves. And then look how pretty the pumpkins are. I love the pumpkins that are kind of an odd color, you know. But I'm thinking you could go in with this. Let's just see. You know me, fly by the seat of my pants. All right, let me get my pumpkin. Let me see if you can color on this. So let me just, I'll do this one right here so I don't waste a whole one in case it doesn't work. So these are kind of like a beigey kind of color. All right, so I'm just going to take my dark pumpkin and let me see. So that's just dark pumpkin. So look how cool. All right, and then I'll do my light. So I'll do my light. So yeah, you can color on it. You definitely can. So let me put that up here so you can see. So there, I colored it. Now, the pumpkins are, the lines are kind of light. So when you're looking at it, you know, it kind of hides the line a little bit. Now, I didn't color on the line. So if I was going to color any more of these, I would use probably just the light pumpkin or maybe like the golden glow or just like a lighter tone than the dark. Although, you know, just seeing half of one is a little hard, but I just wanted to see if you could color on it, and you certainly can, and it dried without any problem. And then it probably bled through. No, it didn't really bleed through, but I didn't really like grind on it either, right? Oh, that's a lovely word. All right, so there's that one. And then there is the last one, which is really fun with these. I don't think those are pomegranates. Maybe they're baby pomegranates. I don't know, but it's very, very cute. So this is that glow, whatever it's called, glow with or glow. I can't remember. But anyway, so that is the product of the month for August. All right, now let me show you the two kits. And like I said, I'm not going to put them together just, you know, because of time and everything. Maybe I'll put one of these together. Maybe I'll do this one for my die shorts because I have a feeling this one won't. I don't know how long it will take. Because maybe I'll just make, I'll make one ahead of time. Let's see here. Let's open this up and see how many it's making. Let's see. It kind of reminds me of that kit that had this one. It kind of reminds me of the kit. And I just left that bunny there. I know it's not Easter, but he's too cute. So he just sits on my shelf. So this one kind of reminds me of this kit, right? And I think you can still get these clipboards. They're cute. You know, they stand up. All right. So I'm just like all over the place here. All right. So let's see how many this makes. Because it already has, see, it already has these little things. So you've got different languages, but you can use the back side of them. All right, so you've got these little flowers. Here's some more different language. All right, so here is one, greeting. So it looks like this is like that other kit. But I think it's more, is super funner a real word? I don't think so. I don't think funner is a word. Yeah, because see, it's a solid thing. I'll have to look because I can't remember if I gave my clipboards away, because I gave some of my other ones away. Like, I'm like, did I give the clipboards away or just the piece? Because these are more my style. Like, these are so stinking cute. So maybe I'll do these for my dies shorts on Friday. And then next week, I will do this kit because I think this one Might have to be for my Teach Me Tuesdays because it is going to take a while. I just figure it's going to take a while. And this is a hat. All right, so you've got, I was trying to just get stuff out because it's so close to the box here. All right, so this makes a really cute hat. Now, this is the hat that I was thinking I would make and put on top of that pumpkin face. So you've got some little hat pin things, a little dauber. You've got, this might be, I don't think that's glue, because it does say you're going to need a hot glue gun to put this together. You've got some really pretty copper wire, and you've got some of your embellishment, so it looks almost like cobwebby stuff. Some pretty laces. You've got glue dots, but this is what it makes. Look how cute. Now, that's why I'm like saying you need to grab this soon because I think it will be gone. And it is, let me show you the hat. I mean, it is like, I could wear this hat. Like it's a real hat. Like there's a hole and everything, like for your head. So it kind of like springs open like that thing that is in your car. In Arizona, we have these things that they spring open, put in your car so the heat doesn't come in the window. Does that make sense? All right, but look how big it is. So you've got, like, unless your head is fatter, you could wear that. So they just kind of twisted, but I'm just going to leave it open now so it can kind of get some of the creases out. But I know it's hard to see. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. And I'll show you this hat better, like size-wise. And then I'll put all that back in the box. But see what I mean? I mean, it's big enough you could wear it. So say you work somewhere at an office, you could do the hat and then wear it. So it's so fun. But I want to see if it'll fit on my pumpkin. Should I go get my pumpkin and see? Let me go get it. So here and I haven't named her yet. I need to name her because she's so cute. All right, so let's see. I think it's going to fit. Oops, hold on. I don't want to drop her for heaven's sakes. Okay, so it fits her. So that's how big it is. So it does. I mean, I'd have to fix the little brim it's showing. But I think once it gets decorated, it's going to look so stinking cute. And it will also be a little heavier. So I don't think it will slide because it's sliding on her a little bit because she's ceramic. But I think once I get the hat decorated, it'll have a little more weight to it. But it fits her perfect. So I think like Halloween, I'll have a hat on her. And then the rest of the year, since I'm going to leave her out because she just makes me smile, I won't have that hat on her. I'll have to find other hats for her. Maybe I'll put like a baseball hat on her. You know, when it's during the year. Oh my gosh. I need to find a baseball hat. I know I have hats. I have hats around for trips. I know, just call me weird. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing so I can get this video uploaded. And I will see you tomorrow for my Teach Me Tuesdays. And that will be 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. And like I said, it is such a cute project. And it is using this guy. Yeah. That's all I'm going to tell you. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye for now.